Hi, I'm King 5 meteorologist Rich Marriott, and on this Easter Sunday, we've got a gray start to the day with a few showers around, and that's going to be kind of setting the tone for the day with showers with us and not a whole lot in terms of sunshine today, and cool temperatures for this time of the year, which at this time of the year means we'll be mostly in the mid-50s. Take a look at the Doppler radar around 11 o'clock this morning. You can see we do have some showers around out towards the coast and then also over the interior. They're just kind of scattered around, though. It's not going to be a real soaker today, and they are going to be off and on showers, so they'll kind of come and go during the course of the day. And see a little bit of snow up in the mountains. Snow levels are going to be running around 3,500 to 4,000 feet, so don't expect that to affect any travel across the Cascades today. And overall, this is what we're expecting. That Port Angeles Tower Camp just looking gray looking out there across the water, and that's pretty much what we're seeing just about everywhere. I think that might be Vancouver Island that was just barely showing up there. Granite Falls High School also showing just a cloudy day, not looking quite as misty as it was earlier. There was quite a few showers up to the north of Everett earlier this morning, but they've kind of scattered out a little bit. And Tacoma, a mixture of clouds and maybe a stray shower around. Checking out along the coast, they've been seeing some pretty good showers out there, but also some nice sun breaks interspersed, and we should see sun breaks showing up at least briefly most spots during the afternoon today. Here again, if you're headed across the passes, you can see they're in good shape, basically bare pavement for both Snoqualmie and Stevens passes, though you might run into a little bit of fog headed over Stevens Pass. Checking those temperatures as we approach midday, mostly in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees. We should be in the upper 50s to around 60 degrees for our highs this time of the year, but it looks like we're probably going to peak out today mostly in the mid-50s. Checking our 7-day first alert forecast, you can see we've got showers around today. They should wrap up tomorrow, and we're on track for another round of sunshine and some mild spring temperatures as we head towards midweek. But once again, Mother Nature's decided that we should keep the weekends a little on the watered side as we head towards Friday, Saturday, and you can throw in Sunday as well. Not a soaker, but we'll have those showers still around. Take a look at the satellite image today. You can see we've got pretty good cloud cover. There's some thinner spots in that overcast, and those should spread out a little bit as we head into this afternoon, as we're going to be seeing some high pressure begin to move in. Checking the computer model, you can see it's showing those showers around during the day today. It's a little over forecasting on the showers around this morning, but they will be kind of moving around and up and down the sound as we head into midday and the afternoon. And then as we head towards later this afternoon, we'll start to see some high pressure begin to build in. That'll put us in some northwest winds, which is the right setup to get a little bit of convergence. And it looks like we'll get a Puget Sound convergence zone really from about Seattle northward, and then a secondary convergence zone out of the Strait of Georgia there up around the Bellingham area as we head towards this evening. Moving on into Monday, though, to start off the work week, you can see we have some convergence zone showers as we head towards early tomorrow morning, but those will be primarily around Seattle northward to Everett, and then we should see pretty much those wrap up, and as we head towards the afternoon and evening, we'll see skies begin to clear out to sunshine, setting the tone for that stretch of sunshine as we head towards midweek. If you're thinking of going up and seeing the tulips, well, today looks like it's going to be a little showery with some sun breaks. Nothing too heavy, though, and you just take your rain gear and be prepared. For tomorrow, we're going to be looking for a few showers in the morning, but I think they'll clear out as we head towards the afternoon. Highs both days in the mid-50s up there around the tulips. Tuesday, those things start to improve. We're looking for a sunny day on Tuesday, and of course you can throw in Wednesday and Thursday as well, with those high temperatures getting into the upper 50s and 60s. So good tulip viewing weather overall. We're wrapping up the ski season little by little. Today is Mount Baker's last day of operation. Stevens Pass is already closed. Crystal Mountain is operating again next weekend. In fact, they'll be operating weekends through the end of May, all the way through Memorial Day weekend. And White Pass has one more weekend after this one. Next weekend will be their last weekend of operation. Checking some of the other areas, Mission Ridge also operating next weekend. Summit West closes today, and with that, all the Summit and Snoqualmie ski areas are closed for the season as we wind down the thoughts of winter and definitely move into thoughts of spring and summer. So our 7-day forecast today, those showers around, few afternoon sun breaks. We'll look for high temperatures today in the mid-50s. Tomorrow, a few morning showers, and we should see those pretty much wrap up as we hit the afternoon with clearing skies, highs in the mid to upper 50s to near 60 degrees. Sunshine around 60 Tuesday, low to mid 60s Wednesday, and well into the 60s Thursday, maybe touching 70 in some of the warm warmest spots as we head towards Thursday. As we head into Friday, though, look for increasing chance of showers during the day, partly setting with a few showers on Saturday, and those high temperatures cooling back to the mid to upper 50s. So we're continuing the normal spring pattern of 2 steps towards summer and 1 back on through the next 7 days anyway. But all in all, not a bad day to go out and enjoy. If you celebrate Easter, it should be a good day to go visit family. And you never know, you might even time it right, get out, catch a sunbreak to go for a walk and enjoy everything that's in bloom in the Northwest right now.